It's incredibly challenging to enter a new market. Having guidance of people on the ground making connections for you and helping make sure you avoid mistakes is pivotal to success of an international expansion.
The Global Incubator Programme is an acceleration programme looking to help SMEs grow and scale globally. We've supported a significant number of companies as part of this Global Incubator Programme that are looking to develop their connections and networks in Canada, working with MaRS.
So we've run several of these programs with Innovate UK. It's a multi-year partnership that we're developing to run cohorts once a year for both the programs that we run with them. One is focusing on artificial intelligence and the other is focusing on advanced manufacturing.
I was immediately drawn into this program because we wanted to work with the best, and through Innovate UK and with the MaRS Innovations help, we're able to now get into the hub of that action.
What I found with MaRS is that they've been really proactive in providing us with a range of different opportunities across a load of different skill sets, from marketing, PR, strategy and AI support, which really helps us to improve as a business but also understand the Canadian ecosystem better.
By working with MaRS, we've been able to have opportunities that just we never would have had coming here on our own. Things like we've been on CTV News, Toronto Star. This kind of exposure and building our brand here in the market has just been incredibly vital for us because we want to be a leader in this AI governance space, and this has just been a fast track way for us to do that in the Canadian market.
So by working with MaRS, you get access to seasoned entrepreneurs. You get access to our network of ventures that are operating in market as well too. So a huge peer network that you're diving into right away, but you're also tapping into our extended networks of corporate partners, government partners that make that transition so much easier.
Working in partnership with innovation hubs like MaRS has enabled us to provide even more support to UK businesses. We can help them increase their R&D collaborations, networks and partnerships in Canada, accelerating their go-to-market journey.